everyone, welcome to my reading session. Today we are going to read our solar system. Let's start. Our Sun. The solar system includes a star and all objects that orbit or circle around it. In our case, the star is our Sun. Yes, just like this one. There are 8 planets that circle the Sun, some faster than the others. Mercury. This is Mercury. It's the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is also the smallest and the lightest planet in the solar system. About 18 Mercuries would fit into Earth. It does not have any moon or atmosphere of its own. Fun fact, Mercury has wrinkles. As the iron core of the planet is cooled and contracted, the surface of the planet became wrinkled. Scientists have named these wrinkles lobate scarps. Did you know that another fun fact is that the planets which are closer orbit faster around the Sun? Venus. The second planet from the Sun is Venus. It is also known as the evening star. Venus is the second brightest object in the night sky after the moon. Venus is very similar to Earth in terms of size and material, but it's the hottest planet in the solar system. Like Mercury, Venus has no moon of its own. Fun fact, on Venus a day is longer than a year. It takes Venus longer to rotate once on its axis than to complete one orbit of the Sun. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Earth is home to us and all the living things that are known to exist. About 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered by water. There are oceans, rivers, lakes, forests, and mountains on Earth. Earth is a very beautiful planet and has one moon. Fun fact. A year on Earth isn't 365 days. It is actually 365.25 days. It's the extra 0.25 days that creates the need for help of leap years. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun and red in color. It is very cold and dry, but water exists in the form of ice in the north and south poles. The surface of Mars has many craters, deep valleys, and volcanoes. Mars has 2 moons called Phobos and Deimos. Fun fact, did you know that Mars is the home to the tallest mountain in the solar system? Olympus Mons is the largest peak on Mars. It is a shale volcano, 2,100 kilometers high and 600 kilometers in diameter. Whoa, isn't that a lot? Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. There is a great red spot on its surface, which is actually a storm that has been blowing for about 350 years. Jupiter has some of the largest moons in the solar system. One of them is called Europa. Fun fact. Did you know that Jupiter has 67 confirmed and named satellites? However, it's estimated that the planet has over 200 natural satellites orbiting it. Isn't that so much? Saturn is a gas giant just like Jupiter. This means that it's mainly made up of gas with a small rocky core. This is the second largest planet and is known for its rings. Saturn's moon Titan is the second largest in the solar system. Saturn's ring particles are almost entirely water ice particles. Fun fact, you cannot stand on Saturn. It is not like Earth. Saturn is mostly made up of gases. It has a lot of helium. This is the same kind of gas that is put in balloons. Helium is the gas that is used to make things float. And another fun fact is that, did you know that Saturn doesn't have one ring? It has multiple rings, not only one. Uranus is far away from the sun. It is the second last planet in the solar system. Therefore, it also has to travel a pretty long time, roughly 84 years, to go once around the sun. Uranus is a blue planet, not because of water, but because of the gases that make it appear blue. Fun fact, Uranus orbits on its side, which means seasons are completely different to ours. Summer and winter take 21 years at the North and South poles. OMG, isn't that a lot? Neptune is closely related to Uranus. It is made up of almost the same gases, and just like Uranus, Neptune also appears blue. Neptune is the furthest planet from the sun, and it takes 165 years for Neptune to go once around the sun. Fun fact, did you know that no spacecrafts have ever been to Neptune or its partner Uranus? OMG! Let's see them all together. Can you remember which orders the planets are in? Here's a helpful run. Just look at the first letter of each word and match it with the planet. Mani, Mercury. V, Venus. E, Earth. M, Mars. Many will earthlings munch jam sandwiches under newspapers. Will earthlings. So, M for Mercury, V for Venus, Earth, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for sandwiches, U for Uranus, and for Neptune. The end. Until next time, see you in the next reading session. Bye.